recall that the Commission received a total of 171 letters of intent from associations seeking registration as political parties. The associations were assessed in line with sections 222 and 223 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended 1999 as amended, sections 75 and 79 of the Electoral Act 2022, as well as clauses 5, 2, and 5 of the Commission's, that's INEC regulations and guidelines for political parties 2022. Consequently, 14 associations that satisfied the initial pre-qualifications were invited to proceed to the next stage. Of these, 8 successfully uploaded their documents on the Commission's dedicated portal. The parties are stated here, but out of these 8, only 2 qualify for final assessment and verification of due compliance with the Constitution and the Electoral Act. After due consideration, only the Democratic Leadership Alliance was found to have complied fully with the requirement of the law.
Between the Independent National Electoral Commissions, INEC, and leaders of political parties is the first since Professor Mgbeke, SAN, assumed office as chairman of the commission. Although the Interparty Advisory Council formally congratulated him on his appointment in October 2025, I once again extend our warm congratulations as we collectively take further steps toward consolidating, deepening, and strengthening Nigeria's democracy ahead of the 2027 general elections. The responsibility before us is enormous. Nigerians' expectations for a better, stronger, and more prosperous democratic nations are exceedingly high. As the electoral umpire, INEC bears a profound constitutional duty. The Commission must remain independent, neutral, fair, firm, and decisive in conducting elections that are free, fair, credible, transparent, and inclusive. It must always provide a level playing field for all political parties and candidates, mindful that its integrity is tested each time citizens go to the poll. IPAC is aware of leadership disputes within some political parties and urges INEC to be guided strictly by the constitution of the respective parties when addressing
and other members of staff of the Commission. So Joash Amobiton, SAN, a round of applause for him. Order, we have Professor Malam Abdurazak Tukur Yusuf. We have also at this meeting with Dimis Belafia, the Chief Technical Academy, the Chief of Staff. So that the party chieftains that are here will introduce the
Commissioner, Secretary of the Commission.
By me is the Deputy National Secretary, Abraham, the National Chairman of INEC and others.
all protocols to be observed. My name is Moise.
How are you? Standing also for the National Secretary.
National Chairman.